Seasoned to perfection, juicy, tender, grilled chicken steak, served with creamy garlicky mushroom sauce. This fancy looking dish makes for a perfect weekend night dinner and requires minimal effort to make. Serve it with the side of your choice for perfectly filling meal that everyone will devour.
If you like this recipe, then don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon.
We'll first start with chicken steak. I have taken 3 chicken breasts here and I've washed them thoroughly. And now with the help of a very sharp knife, I'm going to slice these horizontally in 2 pieces. Thickness of all these pieces should be same. You can pound it with the help of a meat mallet or rolling pin instead of cutting these into halves so that all of these can be of same thickness and cook evenly. I'm going to cut the other 2 breasts the same way. Pat dry these with the help of a kitchen paper towel to absorb all the extra moisture and put these in a bowl to add the seasoning. I first added 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, then I have added salt, which will be according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. To increase the heat, I'm also adding half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, but this is totally optional, you can skip it as well. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves. Always activate the dried herbs by crushing these with your hands before putting them in any dish. 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil leaf and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. Now mix it really well to cover all the pieces with this dry spice mixture and leave it for marination for about 20 to 30 minutes. To grill the marinated chicken breasts, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a grill pan. And once the pan is nice and hot, add the chicken breast one by one. As we want the chicken to have nice grill marks, so we will let it sear from one side on high flame. Since all the chicken breast slices are of more or less the same thickness, so cooking time won't be more than a minute and a half per side. Once done, flip the chicken breast and let it cook from the other side as well. The grill pan needs to be really hot as this will help retain the moisture of meat and keep the juices in. Now we will grill all the breast slices the same way. If you want the chicken breast to be really juicy and tender, then don't overcook it as it will make your meat chewy and dry. Let's come to the mushroom sauce now. For the sauce, I have taken 1 medium-sized chopped up onion, 8 to 10 thinly sliced mushrooms, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped or grated, and half cup of fresh parsley finely chopped. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and once the oil starts heating up, add chopped up onion in it. Saute the onions on medium heat till they are translucent and slightly pink in color. Once the onions are done, add sliced mushrooms in it. We will also add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter at this point and saute the mushrooms on medium heat till all the natural moisture of the mushrooms dries up and they are slightly golden in color. Once done, add chopped up garlic in it. And saute it on medium heat till a very nice garlicky aroma starts coming out of it. We'll also add some of the parsley at this point. Saute everything for 30 to 40 seconds and then add 1 cup of half and half cream and half cube of beef bouillon. I've also added 1/4 cup of milk in it. Now we're going to season it with black pepper, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. One-fourth teaspoon of dried oregano leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley leaves. Sprinkle some fresh parsley on top and let it simmer on medium-low heat for 3 to 4 minutes or till the sauce thickens up and reaches to the desired consistency. The sauce is ready now. Serve it with sautéed vegetables and fluffy mashed potatoes and enjoy this delicious wholesome meal. The recipe of mashed potatoes and sautéed vegetables will be available on my channel in few days. Till then, try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments.